So what I like about this place here is that the basketball court is surrounded by nature. Even if I am in the 5G tower is not like next to the basketball court here, but it's in, you know, in a kilometer from where I am right now. There is a skate park as well here, and yeah, like just the fact that the basketball court is surrounded by nature in a rich neighborhood, just like the energy, it's better than other place in the 5G. Yeah, and I knew it. This one gonna go in. Boom! First outcourt shot in a snowstorm, minus 21, something like that right now. It's really cold, but it's like I'm covered of the wind here, so it's good. I don't feel the wind. Yeah, 2 outcourt shot in a row. Boom, and this is like corner. Oh my god, that was so epic, man. What is the chance that I can pull this off in a snowstorm at minus 20? 2 in a row, baby. Woo! Ah. And I failed the trick shot, though. Oh, and I made it. Put that in the video. Oh, combo with an epic outcourt shot. Third one. Boom, boom. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so powerful. Boom. Tap out, like it's enough, for real. Oh yeah, and I finished with a 4 outcourt shot. It took me so much to put the 4th one in, and it spin on the rim like that at the end. Epic ending. Boom! 18 minutes. 18-minute play. Oh my god. That was a lot, man. But that was fun. I love to play here. For real, this is especially in winter, like the condition is not that bad. For real, it was really really fun with light snow. Oh yeah.